you need the person.
Thank you.
For dressmaking. So you use it to complement the machine that has been given. Or if there is already one, produce clothing for sale.
You are always on us to do the investment so that our interests are all in. So we want to applaud you for that. And we thank you very much for your encouraging and inspiring words. And I believe that you all learn one or two from what Honorable has said. And then use the money or the funds or the items that have been given for the purpose that we have been intended for. Thank you once again, Honorable DC, for your encouraging words.
So, just social welfare structure. But who you this year? Come on, don't the youth take by carry from the car. Don't you Bapatalas, some land to buy. So, why would you want to throw the pool with Jenna? More young and more young than Toolman and Ban Bakusatu. Pull some money back in. I would take them back more. You took exam like that to go to the district. Teacher Mark would need to direct from the opportunity for Nantes, Wapa, this year for Nantes Palukula. Go back there for country.
Always need to be given fish, right? And so I believe that the little that we are giving, we'll be able to turn it around so that it can also help us in the household that we want to. At this juncture, we'd like to welcome or invite the father of the land, the Honorable District Executive Officer, to also give his brief remarks. We have all the persons with disabilities in the district. I mean, you are an Honorable District Executive who, as soon as the funds are available,